if you want to speak English, you should start with your daily routine. You have to tell your daily routine to yourself. If nobody is there for listening you around you, so you have to speak with yourself and start with your daily routine. Like I'm giving you an example that like you can speak. Okay, so firstly you get up early in the morning, like say like this: I get up early in the morning, then I have my breakfast, I get ready, I go to office, and then I return from my office, and then I have food, then I enjoy with my family, and for some time I operate my mobile, and then I watched some videos of speaking English. Then there some people communicate. Okay, and you can also tell about the person who is speaking English. And like imagine a situation where two people are speaking with each other, they are talking to each other. For one person is saying something to other person. Okay, so first one is saying, like you can say like this, first one is saying, how are you bro, and second one is speaking and saying to him that I'm fine, what about you, thanks for asking, like this he is saying. Okay, and first one is again saying, I'm also well, and please tell me about your day. And second one is speaking and telling about his day, how was his day. And like in his language you can speak, like he is telling, okay, I got up early in the morning. Okay, I woke up early in the morning, he can say anything. Okay, he is saying, I woke up early in the morning, and then I had my breakfast, and then I got ready, then I went to my office, then I went to office, and then I met with my co-workers, and then I had breakfast. And he can say he's telling his full story. Okay, so you need to imagine that situation, what they are talking to each other, like first one is asking and second one is answering. So let's continue it. And okay, second person is saying that I went my office, and I had my breakfast, I was talking to my friends, I talked with my co-workers, and then I came back to my home, and then I watched TV. Okay, like this he is saying to other person. Okay, and then he is asking to him, what did you do in your full day. Okay, and first one is saying, I did not do anything in whole day, I just spent my day with my family, and I went to a nearby temple. Like this you can create a story, you can imagine that situation where two people are talking to each other. Okay, so you have to start like this. You also can imagine about a situation where two people are talking to each other, talking on mobile. Okay, so they are talking to each other, they are asking about their family and their day. Okay, so suppose they are talking and you are looking them while talking. Okay, so just create a scene that where two people are communicating. Okay, let's suppose two people are speaking at the front of you, and you are looking them. Okay, so while talking you are looking them. Okay, and they are talking with each other. First one is saying to other one, what's your name. Okay, and second one is answering, my name is Jack. And first one Jack is asking to first one person that what's your name. And first one person is answering, my name is David. Okay, so David is the first person and Jack is the second person. So they both are talking to each other, they are communicating. Okay, so then David is asking something to Jack and Jack is answering to David. Okay, so like this you have to create a story, you have to imagine a situation and start speaking on that situation. Like David is asking something about Jack's family, how David is asking how many members are there in your family, and Jack is answering, there are 4 members in my family, me and my father and my mother, and I have a sister. Okay, so David is asking again. David is asking that how old is your sister. Okay, so Jack is answering that my sister is 22 years old and she is younger than me. I'm 25-year-olds. Okay, like this Jack is answering, and again David asks something to Jack, for how much time do you operate your mobile in a day, and Jack is answering. Okay, like you have to create a situation where 2 people are asking, and you can imagine anything. You can imagine a situation where whatever is going on, you have to speak on that thing. Okay, so like you can, like this you can speak on a topic, you can create a situation and you can speak on that topic. So you can also speak about yourself, that what were you doing yesterday, that you can say to other person. Like imagine a person is in front of you and you are talking to him, that what did you do yesterday. Like you have to say like this, I was operating my mobile, and while scrolling, while surfing net, I watched a video, I saw a video, and then I clicked that on that video. I played that video. Okay, and I was watching. That was the video of Sandeep Maheshwari. You can speak anything like this. Okay, so you have to create situation where something is happening, something you did. Okay, and you can also speak about your friend. Okay, that how is he. Okay, he is my best friend. He goes everywhere where I go. He goes with me everywhere where I go. Okay, you can speak about your father, about your mother, about your sister. You can tell their qualities, you can speak about their qualities, you can speak about their merits and about their demerits. Okay, so like this you can speak. Okay, and suppose I'm operating computer and I'm browsing something, I'm searching, I just turn on my computer and I have started my computer. Okay, so I'm speaking like this. You also have to do like this. You have to think yourself in a situation where you are doing something. For speaking English, you can speak, you can think anything, and you have to start speaking about that topic. So this is the way you can speak English. This is the best and easy way to learn English. You have to speak with yourself, because you are not living in that country where every people speak English. So you have to create that situation, and you have to create that atmosphere around you, and nobody speak English, and everybody says you that what you are doing, and it's not what's going to happen if you are speaking like this. Okay, so don't concentrate, don't think about those people who speak like this. Anybody can do. If I can do, you can do. So be positive, and don't think about people, that be happy and enjoy that process. Enjoy the process of speaking English, and enjoy talking with strangers, other people, and try to get stranger with whom you can speak, you can talk. Okay, don't think about your mistakes. These are some tips that I wanted to give you, and finally I have delivered all the tips with you. So I hope guys you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Press the subscribe button that is below this video, and then don't forget to click on the bell icon. Okay, so you will get every notification that when I will upload a video, you will get the notification of that video. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. यदि आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप नीचे लाल कलर वाला सब्सक्राइब का बटन आपको जो दिख रहा है उस पर प्रेस कर दीजिए। जिससे क्या होगा कि जब भी मैं वीडियोस अपलोड करूंगा तो वो वीडियोस जो हैं वो तुरंत आप तक पहुंच जाएंगे। उसके बाद में एक घंटी का आइकन आएगा, उस पर भी आप क्लिक कर दीजिए ताकि नोटिफिकेशंस भी ऑन हो जाएंगे। यदि आपका कोई प्रश्न है तो वो प्रश्न भी आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। वीडियो यदि अच्छा लगा हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें। थैंक यू वेरी मच। जय हिंद, जय भारत।